Hey guys, it's Jim from Import Image Racing, and today on our product peek, we have two different products that are going to help protect and accessorize your new BRZ and GR86. Let's go! The first product on our list is the Noble Above Glove Box Storage Tray. This product provides convenient storage for the items you use most, and construction is a durable, textured plastic. Installation is as simple as prepping the area clear of debris and any armor all. Then peel the two pieces of 3M tape, then stick into place. Most of the bonding will happen in the first 24 hours, but 100% of the bond will cure in about 72 hours. The next item on our list today is the Noble Display Screen Protector. Unless you've been living under a rock and still communicating with your grandmother's flip phone, then you should already know the benefits of protecting that screen of yours from damage. Installation is very similar to the screen protectors that you're already familiar with on your phone. After cleaning the surface with the provided alcohol pad and microfiber cloth, using the provided suction cup, lift the protector. Remove the film from the protector. When installing, be sure to center the protector onto the screen. Finally, use the microfiber cloth to remove any bubbles from underneath the screen. So there you have it, two simple ways to accessorize and protect your new BRZ and GR86. For thousands more parts just like this one, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com. And hey, while you're here, check out the YouTube channel and like and subscribe, because when we hit 10,000 followers, we are giving away all kinds of good stuff. So be sure to check that out in the description below. Like always, we will catch you on the next one.